Hi, today we're on Route 66 in Missouri. We're leaving the town of Plough. We're headed into Avia, and we're looking at some cool little homes here along Route 66. Population 125. The United States flag has flown here uninterrupted since 1856. Up on our right here, we're going to find a place called Nichols Garage. Hardesty Station and Cabins. Right here, this location. Look at this. I'll kind of tell you what we're looking at a little bit. Got a log cabin on the right. Here, gable roof, faces the highway. So it was moved here from a different location, but there it is today. We got a pump house. This building here called the Hardesty Gas Station. It's a little filling station, 2-room, bungalow-style wooden building there. Gabled roof, single-door entrance. Served gas, even sold beer in the back. And then we have Nichols Garage, which is there. That dates back to 1930. Little gable roof, stone structure. This little single service bay and a small office. And this is the residence here. It's got a little funky decor on there. Pretty green gabled roof. Anyway, this whole place here, we call it the Hardesty Gas Station in Nichols Garage, or Nichols Garage. We're going to head up to Avia, which is about 2 miles west on Route 66. Now up here, this bridge, this is the White Oak Creek Bridge. Anyway, it's a newer one. See, they kind of ripped out the old truss and put in these concrete barriers. There you go, White Oak Creek, right down there. Got some more cows here roaming around. And then up here on the right, there's another little relic. It's called the Midway Service and Cafe. It's still here. And look at that building there. It should be right up here on the right. It's set on a low grassy hill, just about a half mile from the creek and the bridge. And here we go, right up here. This little complex dates back to 1930s. Up here, there's an old cafe. And another one was moved here in the 1950s. Got the side gabled roof. That beautiful pattern of stone, giraffe pattern there. It's got a bunch of junk all decorated up in front there. There used to be a gas station here too, but it burned down in the 70s. Beautiful truck with the American flag. So just before town, you're going to pass the Avila fire station right here. Town of Avila or Avia. And what you want to do is just head across the next street, park, and take a little stroll around town. But here we are on Route 66 in the town of Avila. Avia. This is beautiful. Got an old barn here and a silo. So before Route 66 came by, this road is known as Old Carthage Road. It's a dirt road, and it got paved when Route 66 came by. There's tons of cool places to see. This building, we've got Lottie's up here. This is called Avila 66 Farm and Auto. Great little mural on the side of the building. A lot of mural stuff. Then there's a hardware store, electrical and plumbing today. Got a great looking little home here. Up here, this is Lottie's Soda Shop, general store. Right here. Really cute bungalows. Anyway, see who Lottie is on historic Route 66. There she is. That's Lottie right there. A box of ice. Just amazing. Route 66. You get the little rental rooms if you want. So next to Lottie's, this whole vacant lot. The building's not here anymore. That's too bad. Used to be a 2-story gray brick building here, built in 1868. It was called the Avila House. And then later on it was called the Route 66 Auto Shop. But here, this building, unbelievable. Built in 1885. Little Victoria style, wood frame, 2-story building. This is known as the IOOF Lodge, the International Order of Oddfellows. They partnered with the old Freemasons in the 1870s. The stone building here next to it is called Old French's Grocery. It's got this whole random pattern of rocks lined up here. It looks really strange and unique. A lot different than our little patterned giraffe style. Anyway, it's a old grocery store. And this wooden building here, it's called Bush Beer now, or Bernie's Bar and Grill, is known as Old Flo's Tavern. It is owned by Florida Milligan. So this opened sometime around 1903. Great wooden building here. Old Flo's Tavern. Now it's Bernie's Bar and Grill. And out here we got the post office. Here we have a structure here and an old barn looking guy. So next to Old Flo's, this whole vacant lot area, not here anymore. Used to be an incredible Phillips 66 station. Just beautiful, made with the local sandstone rocks, but it's not here, but it stretched this entire block. Phillips 66 station. Anyway, had a little dome-shaped garage too. The single roll-up door. The pumps. It's all a platform here. The pumps, I think, were right over here. You take a look at the little pump station, which has been right about here where the pipes are today. This big Phillips 66 gas station. You come in and get some service done. So right by our Phillips station, right over here, was a little telephone switchboard building. And the ladies would push the little button back and forth as you made phone calls. And of course in our building here, up on the left, that was actually a barber shop. And this was the old fire station. And it has the little fire equipment in there. One of them was like a push pump and hose. You had to basically push it to the fire. It's a little barber shop. It's all closed up now. And the school's still open down the street here. Kids get bussed in from the countryside. Anyway, Avila Preschool, our R13 school, home of the Panthers. Yeah, we got a little park, a gateway, and a little pavilion here. No Route 66 is complete without our beautiful murals. Here behind our little picnic tables, and our murals. Got a great mural here too. A couple roosters or chickens here. Here's a beautiful little gazebo here. The stand top a gift by George G. McFadden to the town of Avila in 1935. And the flagpole was a gift from Mr. McFadden in 1967. Beautiful mural. Panther here too. We're going to head over to the church. This guy here is Dick's house. Uncle Dick, we call him. It's a beautiful, beautiful house. He owns all this property here. Little display of random kind of objects too, and just cool stuff. He's got a little frog right in front there. See a little frog rock here? And that brings us to our little post office. That's the Avila Post Office. Used to be the Bank of Avila in this building here. It's built in 1915 as the bank. And the post office moved here in 1952. So the bank really served the farmers and the merchants. And in 1932, it was actually robbed by the Irish O'Malley gang. They kidnapped the cashier and then released him unharmed in Carthage. And all the gang members were eventually jailed or shot dead. In 1944, the bank merged with the Bank of Carthage. So the building was empty until 1952 when our post office moved in. This little mark up there, 1915. The bank robbed by the Irish O'Malley gang. Right behind Bernie's Bar or Flo's Tavern. It's the old Avila United Methodist Church. Look at that. This guy dates back to the 1800s when the town was first established, way before Route 66. There's a great little steeple up there. Just a beautiful, beautiful church. Holy smokes. We got services today on Sunday at 9 o'clock. Hey, we got these beautiful little homes here. Check out these columns holding up the little eave there over the front porch. This was a garage. It's falling apart now. It's a beautiful home here. Great little front porch. Just fantastic. We got some more structures back here. Look at this guy. That's nice old trucks here. This is called a Ranger. And up here, a whole collection of all of our Route 66 junkyard here. Here we have a barbed wire snowman. Boom. Little alien here. Smiling. This guy's an old Metropolitan. Wow. Over here across the street, that building was a lumber yard at one time. And here, on the other side of Route 66, this is the old 1930s gas station. Wow, it's just two oblong box-style stations here. A little bit in relics. This one here is built with concrete blocks, little two-car service bays right there, two little garages, and an office. No canopy, and I don't think there's any pumps here. Let me cross over Route 66. How often does somebody get to do that? So I don't think they had any pumps here. This guy, that little building, it's a small cubicle shape. Had a single service bay right in the middle. So at Elm Street in Springfield, Old Carthage Road, got our Amoco station. All these cool trucks. They're all beat up, but I'm sure they're great for parts, and if you have a hobby, you can fix them up. Look at that big underground storage tank there they dug up. Looks like this beautiful Amoco sign in the garage. There's one more stop up here we'll take a look at, right outside our little beautiful town of Avila. Now when you leave the town of Avila to the west on Route 66, about 3.5 miles up on the right, we should find a 1916 Standard Oil filling station. There's a little heap of junk right there. Anyway, our little service station is no longer here, but it was a 1916 Standard Oil station, just on the right in the bushes. That's our little town of Avila. Now we're headed out to a little town called Red Oak 2, which is a little artist development with lots of cool buildings and artifacts about Route 66 and life down here out in Missouri. How about that? Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.